Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time, but I have brought to you today the best book video you can ask for. I'm going to be recommending you guys some books that will get you into reading, and if you are already a reader, they'll just spice up your reading experience even more. Let's start with the book that got me into reading, or basically reading romances. This is The Spanish Love Deception by Elena Armas, and this is one of those books which has fake dating tropes and a wedding in Spain, all the good vibes, all the travel vibes, Bali vibes in this book. You need to read this. Also, we have a second book by the same author, which is The American Roommate Experiment. If you've read this book, you know what green flags are. Second is not a book but a series. It's an amalgamation of interconnected standalones, and I'm talking about none other than Twisted series. किसने ये नाम नहीं सुना है? Obviously you might have heard of these books, but I'm telling you they are worth the hype, every hype. My favorite was the Twisted Games, and of course you will love this series and this will help you read more and more. Plus they are easy to read. Next is another series which is A Good Girl's Guide to Murder series by Holly Jackson. The TV show is also going to be coming out really soon in August. So yeah, you guys should hop on these books because they are amazing. They are this murder mystery. So what happens is there's this girl called Pippa, and she is solving a case in her town for her holiday homework, and this is so cool. I mean, she's just a teenager and she's solving all that, a case that was closed years ago, and she's picking up again that case, and it is so amazing. Like, it is one of those books that will keep you turning the pages and you will enjoy it to the fullest. If you're looking for something spicy, good, cute, at the same time dark, read this. My favorite one was the third book, As Good as Dead, because this actually makes sense. Everything makes sense once you read the third book. Next thing we're going to be talking about is the King of Sins series by Anna Huang. ये सीरीज भी ट्विस्टेड सीरीज की ऑथर नहीं लिखी है, so of course you can trust me when I'm saying these are one of the best books. My favorite one has to be King of Wrath, but इसमें 3 बुक्स हैं अभी तक, King of Wrath, King of Pride and King of Greed. 4th बुक भी आ चुकी है which is King of Sloth, but मेरे पास वो नहीं है, but मैं ये 3 बुक्स की गारंटी ले सकती हूँ. You will enjoy these books to the fullest, so do invest your money in these books. Next book I'm going to be talking about is the Dreamland Billionaire series. This is the first book by Lauren Asher called The Fine Print. It is the best workplace romance you can read, and you have to get this. Read this one. If you're looking for some small town romances, I've got your back. This is Things We Hide from the Light and Things We Never Got Over by Lucy Score. One of the most anticipated reads of 2023. I read these books in just a week and I am not even kidding. I loved both of them. The characters, the plot and everything is so fulfilling, and the found family trope in these books, in both of these books, is what you are missing on. The last book I want to recommend you guys is gonna be The Truly Devious by Maureen Johnson. It is a trilogy. I have not heard a lot of people talking about this book, but if you are looking for some great mystery, some great thrill, some great creepiness, this is the book for you, because ये book नहीं पढ़ी then you are missing out on a lot. So read this book. I have one more recommendation. This is Beach Read by Emily Henry. I have read 2 books by Emily Henry, Book Lovers and Beach Read, but this one is my personal favorite. It is one of those books that you like to read in summers, and it will give you all those beachy vibes, as the name suggests. So yeah, just read, go ahead. I'm not even kidding. I don't even need to explain the plot of these books to you, because these books are straight away get into wali books. Like, आपने books ली and you just need to start reading all these. That was it for this video. I hope you liked my recommendations. अगर आपने इनमें से कोई भी book पढ़ी है तो do comment down and let's chat about these books. I'll link down my Instagram handle which is based on books, solely books, and we can also, talk about books over there and, laugh about things, cry about things and discuss things. So yeah, that was it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done until now, and more such videos will be coming if you like this one. Bye.